Okay, boys and girls, now we're going to look at the answers. You can check your answers. So you should be on the back side of your paper with the number 114. And we're going to go over the answers for the top part. Number 9, the correct spelling for music is the first one, M-U-S-I-C. So you should write the word music spelled correctly on the top line. Number 2, the word unit, the correct spelling is U-N-I-T. Number 11, the correct spelling for fumes is F-U-M-E-S. And the correct spelling for mute is M-U-T-E. Now please pause the video at this point and fix any mistakes you have on the numbers 9, 10, 11, or 12. Now we're going to look at the numbers 13 through 16. I want you to write the spelling word next to its meaning. Number 13, great size. The word that means great size is huge. See how the G drops down below that baseline? Number 14 is used to produce heat or power. That would be fuel. Number 15 is a solid shape with 6 equal sides. That would be a cube, spelled C-U-B-E. And number 16 is a person. That would be a human, spelled H-U-M-A-N. Now I would like for you to pause the video here to make any corrections that you need to make, and be sure that those words are written in between the lines the right way. We should not have any misspelled words, because it's right here for you to copy off of here and do it correctly on your paper.